Hi guys, hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to ITeePK. Today we will see the simple steps on how to remove the time from Windows sidebar or how to remove the time clock from Windows notification bar. So to achieve this requirement, we will use Windows Server group policy, and once we configure this policy, we could apply this policy to specific group of users or to specific department so that this clock from their taskbar will be removed. Before proceeding, please consider like and subscribe my channel. Let's go to group policy. From tools, go to group policy management. Okay, once you're in group policy management, right click on domain policy object and create a new policy. Let's name it high time. You can name it as you want. On the high time group policy object, let's go to edit. It is the user policy, so we will go to user configuration policies here. So under user policies, let's go to policies, then go to administrative templates. In the administrative templates, let's go to start menu and taskbar. We will see all these policies related to start menu, the main container here, and looking for remove clock from the system notification area. Let me find that. Here you go. I got that remove clock from the system notification area. So once I enable this, this will remove this clock from system notification area. Let's apply and click OK. Once you have configured this policy, you can go back and you can link this policy to any group, to any organizational unit, or to specific user. So I'm going to link it at the top of my group policy so that this time clock will be removed for every user from this notification area. Once you have configured this policy, you can run command prompt and the command gp update. Run this command, press enter, and you can run the same command on the computers to get this policy synced and time clock will be hidden. So you could wait for 25 to 30 minutes to get this policy sync between your computer. You could restart your computer to get this policy sync immediately. You can run a GP update command also. Okay, so once the policy gets synced, the time from the taskbar notification menu of your client's computer will be hidden or removed. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Bye.